Come from the Chair of the Board of Judges, Gazini Ganados.
Your question is, how will you embody the spirit of a modern Ilocana while honoring the rich heritage and traditions of Ilocos Norte? Again, how will you embody the spirit of a modern Ilocana while honoring the rich heritage and traditions of Ilocos Norte?
I came from the municipality of Paoay, and our product has always been the Inabel textile. It charmed the world since the galleon trade. As an Ilocana, I could embody our tradition and rich culture through wearing the Inabel textile. And of course, wearing it could reach places, could reach government officials to increase funding for the Loom Weavers Association, and we can preserve our culture in a more sustainable way for us to engage in the loom weaving activities, for us to have more equitable sources of employment for the younger generations, because this Inabel textile is the charm of the North. It embodies, like the song Women of the North, we are beautiful and edified with the Inabel textile that is pride of the North. And with me, as a writer, I could also use my writing skills to write about our culture and heritage and also incorporate the local textiles that we have, since this is a cultural representation of an Ilocana women, and we can assimilate and of course engage the community people to come with us to strive for the best for the textiles that we have, for the culture that we have, and of course the heart and the artisan hands of the loom weavers who toiled for every tile and every Abel Iloco that has been brought out to the world. Thank you.